वक्रतुण्डमहाकायं सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So after the Shatra-Shanach topic, we saw Karmani topic, and then we saw Karmani Shanach. Then in connected to that, now we are going to see participles, past participles, another important topic. So we started with the present participles, Kridanta. In fact, Kridanta Avyayas we saw Tva, Tuman, Lyap. So Kridanta Avyayas. Then important Kridanta Pratyas, Shatra Shanach. Then Karmani Priyabha we saw, and then Karmani Shanach. Now we are going to see past participles, Bhuta Kridanta. It's called Bhuta Kridanta. The Krit Pratyas used in the sense of Bhuta Kala. It is equivalent to Lang Lakara. So therefore, if we don't know the Lang form, this Kridanta will be very useful. In fact, in the Bhashya Mandal, Bhashyakara will use Kridanta in place of Lakara. So this Bhuta Kridanta is important. And in this Bhuta Kridanta, again we have two things. One is Kartari Bhute, other one is Karmani Bhute. The participle will denote the Karta. Karta is Abhigitam. Then what Prayoga is that?
Kartari Prayoga.
Kartari Prayoga.
Kartari Prayoga. If Karma is Abhigitam?
Karmani
Prayoga.
So that we are going to see two Pratyas. Two Bhuta Kridanta Pratyas. One will denote the Karta, therefore Kartari. Other one will denote the Karma, therefore it is Karmani. So Bhuta Kartari, Bhuta Karmani. So this is what we are going to see. So this topic will take some time, so we will continue. for some more classes, and today also we will continue for some more time. So let me explain in the beginning. This word file, I think you can see, I'm sharing the word file. Do you see the word file?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Past participles. Bhuta, Kridantaha. Present participles, Vartamana, Kridantaha. Krit Antaha, Kridantaha. Krit. What are Krit? Okay, let me ask. What are Krit? What is meant by Krit? What is Krit?
That which is not thing.
Very good. That which is not thing is Krit. That is a technical definition. Krita thing.
That is
Sorry?
Krit, a thing, a thing, a thing.
Krita, yeah. Krit, a thing. Krita thing. That which is not Krit. You have seen, right?
Yes, yes, Ji.
That which is that which is thing. What pratyaya is that?
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhartaka.
Dhataka pratyaya.
And that which is Krit and Shit. What pratyaya?
Ardhadha.
No. I said that which is Krit, Shit.
Then ship is still Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhartaka only. Because thing Shit, Sarvadhartaka. That which is Krit but not Shit.
Then Ardha.
Ardhadhatukam.
Ardhadhartaka. Right? So you understand.
Mhm.
So now, this Bhuta Kridanta, two important Krit Pratyas. We are going to see. The first one is Tha Pratyaya. Tha, that is Kakara plus Takara plus that is Tha. So here, Tha Pratyaya, the Ita letter is Kakara. The Ita letter is Kakara. So Kakara plus Takara plus Ik letter being Kakara being Ik letter, sorry, It letter, Kakara being It letter, therefore it is Kit. Therefore it is Kit. Understand? Okay, let me. Pratyaya is Tha Pratyaya. First Pratyaya. What we are going to see is Kakara plus Kakara being It letter. Therefore, this is a Kit Pratyaya. Kit Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Content is this is Ardha Dhatuka Kit Pratyaya. Will it cause guna? Can it do Angakarya?
No.
No.
Can do Angakarya. Sarvadhartaka, Ardhartaka. If it is Kit, Angakarya is negated. Okay, this is general rule, but exceptions will be there. Exceptions are always there. Everywhere there is exception. So therefore, the content of this pratyaya is the. That the, when I say the, okay, that I is not, the I is not Ita letter. Please note, okay. The letter A is not Ita letter. Upadeshe Ajanasika Git, that by that rule, you cannot make this as Ita letter. A is the part of the pratyaya. Takara plus ta is the content. Okay. Only kakara is it. Therefore, this is a kit ardhadadaka pratyaya, ta pratyaya, whose content is ta. That is number one. And tha and tavatu. Tavatu, these two, Tavatu is also another Bhuta Kridanta. First we will seek Ta and then we will seek Tavatu. What is Tavatu? Tavatu also like this. Is Tavatu Ta plus Ta plus Va plus then Tara plus and here it is U. Here U is intellect. U is it and Kakara is it. Therefore, this is also kit only. The content is Tavat. These are the two Pratyas Bhuta Kridanta we are going to see. Ta and Tavatu. Tavatu content is Tavat. Ta Pratyaya is Ta. So this Ta Pratyaya, Ta Krit Pratyaya, Tavatu Krit Pratyaya added to what? To what you add these Pratyas? Krit Pratyas?
Pratipadikam.
Dat,
No, Dhatus, not Pratipadikam. What you get is
Pratipadikam. Sorry.
what you get is Pratipadikam. Krit Tadita Samasascha. So, to Dhatus only these Krit Pratyas are added. Added to Dhatus, the resultant is Pratipadikam. That is what we have seen, right, so far? Whereas Twa, Lyap and Tumun, you get Avyayam. Again, Pratipadikam, and Pratipadikam is not that when you decline, the declension is same for all the Vivakti, all the Vacham, that's why it's Avyayam. So what you get is Pratipadikam, what you add is the Dhatu. Dhatoho Krit Pratyaya. That it is Krit Arthing, it comes after the Dhatu. Dhatus only can take. Okay. So Ta and Tavatu Pratyas, they are called technically by the word Nishta. They are technically called by the name Nishta. Please note. They are technically called by the name Nishta. Nishta means, Nishta is a technical name. It has nothing to do with Lokesmin Dvida Nishta, Pura Prokta Mayanaha, Jnana Yogena Sankyanam, Karma Yogena Yogina. It has nothing to do with the Nishta of Gita. Okay. Bhagavan Krishna in Gita says, two committed lifestyles, Nishta, Nitaram Stitihi, that is called Nishta. That is in the context of Gita. Nishta means Nitaram Stitihi. There, that Nishta is different. Here, this Nishta is a technical word. Doesn't have any other meaning. Nishta means Nishta only. Why it is called Nishta, we cannot ask. It's a technical name. Technical name may be Purvacharya, maybe they would have named it Nishta. So Panini Maharishi also calls them Nishta. Yattavatu Nishta. Collectively, these two are called Nishta. Okay. So Nishta Pratyaya means only Ta and Tavatu, not any other Pratyaya, only these two. Like Shatra and Shanaj, they have got the name Sat. Sat means not that Satchit Ananda, that Sat existence, not that meaning. They are called Sat. Similarly, this is Nishta. Now, Tha Pratyaya is added to Dhatu to denote the past tense. Bhuta Kalarte, Bhute, that's why I said Bhute, Bhuta Kalarte, in the passive voice, Karma Vachya. And impersonal passive voice, that is the English word for Bhave Prayoga, Bhava Vachya. Because the Dhatu can be a Sakarmaka Dhatu or Akarmaka Dhatu. Sakarmaka Dhatus are those Dhatus which can take karma. Akarmaka Dhatus cannot take karma. So, Sakarmaka dhatu, since it can take karma, and also the speaker doesn't want to mention the karma, even though it is Sakarma karma, it can be in Bhave Priyaka also, right? We have seen that. Ramaha Kadati. Ramaha Palam Kadati. What is the karmani form of this? Ramena
Palam Khadyate.
Palam Kadati. Suppose Palam is not mentioned by me. Ramaha Kadati. Now convert this into karmani.
Ramena Kadhyati.
What prayoga is that?
Bhava
Ave prayoga. Therefore, Khad being Sakarmaka dhatu. What are the prayogas possible?
Kartari.
Very good. Kartari number one.
Yeah, Karmani and Bhava.
3 prayogas possible. For Akarmaka,
Karmani and Bhave. Only Bhave.
Bhave only possible. Karmani not possible because it can.
Yeah.
So Kartari and Bhave, right? Ramaha hasati. Rama laughs. What is the karmani of that?
Ramena.
It's no karma.
No karma. Ramena hasyate. It is Bhave prayoga, right?
Yes.
For Akarmaka dhatu, only Kartari and Bhave, right? So, Ta pratyaya, it can be added to the dhatu, Karma vachya or Bhava vachya. Karma vachya and Bhava vachya in general. So, Bhuta kala arte, Karmani prayoghe tatha Bhave prayoghe tha pratyaya prayujyate. Understand this? Then, Udaharanam. Balaha palam akhadat. Balaha palam akhadat. Akhadat, that is kriya, past tense, lung. It's a kriya, bhuta kriya, akhadat. What is abhigitam by the kriya padam akhadat? Balaha. So, subject is denoted by the action being eating. So, therefore, the action which is in the third person, singular, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, the action matches with the subject which is in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Balaha. So that we know, that's called Samana Adhikaranyam. It is called Samana Adhikaranyam. What is Samana Adhikaranyam? Samana Adhikaranyam.
Same Vibhakti.
Same, not Vibhakti. Same Purusha, same Vachanam. You cannot say Aham Akadatu, you cannot say. Tvam Akadatu, you cannot say. Right? Similarly, Balaha Akadatu, you cannot say. That's called Ting Samanadi Karanyam. Purusha and the Vachanam of the Ting Anta should match with the Sub Anta, Subanta, the noun. Okay. It's called Ting Samanadi Karanyam. Now, this is a simple sentence. What are the things we understand from this? Atra Kadana Kriyaya Karta Abhigitam. Because it is Kartari Prayoga. Therefore, the Kriya, the action, denotes the Karta, Abhigitam. Kartari, therefore, Karta is Abhigitam. And because Karta is Abhigita, Karta, Balaha, Pratama Purushaha, Ekavachanam cha. The Kriya is Ekavachanam, therefore the subject, the Karta, is also Ekavachanam, and the Kriya, that is the that Kriya Padam, the Pratyaya which is added to that, denotes or it gives information about the Purusha, What Purusha? It is Prathama Purusha. If it is Uttama Purusha, then it will be Akadam. That Akadam that Pratyaya tells you it is Uttama Purusha. So here the Pratyaya being Takara. Therefore it is Prathama Purusha. So Abhigita Karta is in Prathama Purusha, Ekavacham. That information also the Kriya Padam gives. Kriya api Prathama Purusha tata Ekavachane Vartate. Kriya also must be in keeping with the Purusha and the Vachanam of the noun. It's called Samanadikaranya. Samanadikaranya is given, is just not mentioned that word, but that is what it means. Then fourth one, Kriyayaha Sambandaha Kartra Saha Vartate. The connection of the Kriya is with the Karta. In keeping with the, what does it mean? Sambandaha. If Karta changes in terms of Purusha, in terms of Vachanam, Kriya also changes. That is a Sambandha. That is called Ting Samanadi Karanyam. Okay. Then the next one. When we add Ktha Pratyaya to the verbal root in Karmani, the form will be Balena Palam Khaditam. Balena Palam Khaditam. We will see how the word Khaditam comes later. Now this is Karmani because Ktha Pratyaya is Bhute Karmani already I said. Okay. So Khaditam. Here Atra Kadana Kriyaya Karma Abhigitam. Here the Kaditam is there that denotes Karma, Palam. That denotes Karma, Palam. Palam is Ekavachanam, Kaditam also Ekavachanam. And Kriya Padasya Vibhaktihi Tata Vachanam Parasya Anurupam Vartate. Now, since it is a Kridanta, Krit Anta, it is it's a noun. Therefore, the Vibhakti and the Vachanam both should match in keeping with the Karma. Both should match. Kridanta is a noun. Being noun, therefore, it is noun base, it is declinable. When it is declined, then the Kaditam, the Kridanta, which places the role of a noun, role of the verb, and since it is a noun, therefore, its Vibhakti and Vachanam should match with the Karma. Karma is Abhigitam, should match with the Vibhakti and Vachanam of the Karma. Palam is the Karma. And the Karta, Karta is, it's not Abhigita, Anabhigita. Anabhigita Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karta tu Tritiya Vibhakti. Ataha, therefore, Karmani Prayoge, Kriya, Karmani Prayoge, Kriya, Karmavat, Bhavati. Therefore, in Karmani Prayoga, in Karmani Prayoga, Kriya Karmavat. This Kriya, this Kaditam, that is a Kriya. It denotes the action equivalent to the verb, playing the role of the verb. Karmani vibhaktihi vachanam cha, Karmanaha vibhaktihi vachanam cha, Kriyayaha anurupam, tata karta tu tritiya vibhaktyam prayujyate. That is, we know already. Because karma is abhigitam, therefore karma is prathama vibhakti, and karta is anabhigitam, therefore karta is in tritiya vibhakti. So balena palam khaditam. If you use lakara, what will be the form? Balena palam akhadyate. Balena palam akhadyate. So kaditam is equal to akhadyate. Kaditam is equal to akadyate.
Adyatha.
Sorry, akadyata, not akadyate. It is lang lakara. Okay. Akadya. It is akadyata, not akadyate. So kaditam iti kridanta padasya lingam karma anurupam vartate. So the kaditam, the kridanta, the linga, it has got linga. Because now it is declinable, kridantas being the pratipadikam, therefore it is declinable. When it is declinable, it has got linga. So in keeping with the linga of the karma, it has to be declined. If karma is pullinga, then kridanta will be pullinga. If karma is trilinga, then kridanta will be trilinga. If it is trilinga, this will be also trilinga. If karma is napumsakalinga, then kridanta will be napumsakalinga. Here palam is what linga? Napumsakalinga, therefore kaditam. Suppose if it is roti, then it will become roti, rotika, then it will become kadita. Okay. If it is roti, rotika, then the kridanta will be kadita. Valena palam kadita. Sorry, valena rotika kadita. Okay. So, atra palam napumsakalingaha tasmat kaditampi napumsakalingaha iti. Up to this, understand?
Yes, Sharanji.
Now, the object is denoted by the eating action. Already we know karma is abhigitam. Therefore, the case termination of the action matches with the object. Abhigit karma abhigitatvat. Therefore, the vivakti vachanam should match with the object. Now, another important thing, sakarmaka and akarmaka is discussed. Sakarmaka dhatus only have karma. Sakarmaka dhatus can only take karma. Therefore, the word derived from sakarmaka dhatu, the word derived from sakarmaka verbal root, that is word means pratipadikam, ending with ta pratyaya, will denote karma in karma vachyam, and the gender depends on the gender of the karma. Because the word that is pratipadikam, instead of word I should write pratipadikam, that would be better. It is pratipadikam. Pratipadikam derived from sakarmaka verbal root. The pratipadikam, which is derived from sakarmaka verbal root, that will have the pratyaya at the end, ta pratyaya, that will denote karma. It denotes karma, karma abhigikam, and therefore this its gender, and therefore the gender depends on the gender of the kridanta depends on the gender of the karma, the object of the sentence. So next one, akarmaka dhatu. Akarmaka dhatus do not have karma. Therefore no karmani prayoga possible. Already we know in karmani prayoga we have seen. Therefore, in bhava vachyam, since there is no karma for the pratipadikam, okay, for the word derived from the akarmaka verbal root ending with ta pratyaya, the word will be napumsakalinga. Please note this. Example, Ramena hasitam iti bhavavachye karma abhavat hasitam iti kridantam napumsake vartate. Already in karmani we have seen this. Because karma is not there. And in karmani, karma is abhigitam. In karmani, karma is abhigitam. Therefore, the gender of the kridanta will be in keeping with the karma, but karma is not there in bhavavachyam. Therefore, what could be the linga of the kridanta? it will be Napumsakalinga. It will be Napumsakalinga. Please note. Therefore, Ramena Khaditam, you can say. Karma Abhivakshayam. Karma Abhivakshayam Napumsakalinge Vartate. Kridanta Padam. Ramaha Palam Khaditam. Ramena Palam Khaditam. Ramena Rotika Khadita. Ramena Khaditam. Just Khaditam. It is Bhavek Prayoga. Even though the Dhatu, Khad Dhatu, is Sakarmaka, since karma is not there, therefore Ramena Khaditam, that Kridanta Khaditam will be Napumsakalinga. And Akarmaka Dhatu, we don't have to ask because karma is not there at all. Therefore, it will be Napumsakalingam only. Ramena Hasitam. Where is karma? Karma being not there. Hasitam. It is Napumsakalinga. Hasita is the Pratipadika. And Hasita is Akarantaha. Palashabda. Like Palashabda, you can decline. Hasitam, Hasite, Asitani. So Hasitam. And also, it is Asitam, Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. It cannot have Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam and all. Because karma itself is not there. Number one, karma being not there, therefore we don't know the linga. And we don't know the vachanam. So by default, it will be Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharanji.
So Ramena Hasitam, Pratama Vibhakti, Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Karma Abhivakshayam. Karma Abhivakshayam in Sakarmaka. If the Dhatu is Sakarmaka Dhatu, then Karma Abhivaksha. Dhatu is Akarmaka Dhatu, there is no karma possible. Therefore, in both the cases, the Kridanta will be Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. This point, remember, important point. And the next one, Sakarmaka Dhatus can also be used in Bhava Vachyam. We have seen Karma Abhivakshayam. When karma is not mentioned, that is, if the intention of the speaker is not to mention the karma, then Sakarmaka Dhatu also will be in Bhave Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga not possible. Karma not there. In this case, since there is no karma, for the word derived from the Sakarmaka verbal root ending with Ta Pratyaya, the word also will be in neuter gender. You can also add Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Here the linga is the highlight, that is why linga is mentioned. Napumsakalinga Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Okay, this is another important point. Then this Tha Pratyayanta Pratipadikam. Ta is Kridanta, therefore this Kridanta, that is a Pratipadikam, can be declined in all the genders. And keeping with the karma, it will take the appropriate linga. Linga and vachanam, important. Linga, vibhakti, vachanam. Linga, vibhakti, vachanam. So in karma vachyam, that is karma vachyam means karmani prayoga, ta pratyayanta padam, it acts like an adjective to the karma. Karma denoted by it. Therefore, it follows a gender, number, and case of the karma in the sentence. Okay. Like the Shatranta, it's an adjective. Similarly, here also, the Tha Pratyayanta Padam will be like a Visheshana to the Visheshya being karma. Number 6, this is the sixth point. Then Etat Smaraniyam, this should be remembered. What is to be remembered? Karmani Prayoga Vakyeshu Tata Bhave Prayoga Vakyeshu Bhuta Kalarte Kridanta Tha Pratyaha Prayujyate. This already very clearly mentioned in the beginning itself. What is the use of this ta pratyaya, where it is used? In karmani prayoga and bhave prayoga, in the sense of bhuta, the past tense, bhuta kalarte, kridanta pratyaya, this ta pratyaya is used, is added. Added to what? Dhatus, understood. कर्मणि प्रयोगे वाक्ये कर्मणि प्रयोग वाक्येषु कर्म अभिहितत्वात् कृदन्त पदस्य लिंगम विभक्तिः तथा वचनं कर्मानुरूपं वर्तते. In keeping with the karma, the linga, the vachanam, the vibhakti and vachanam of the kridanta will be there. Okay, that kridanta padasya lingam, karma lingam vibhakti tata vachanam, karmanurupam, in keeping with the karma. It will be in keeping with the karma. That is number 2. Number 3, tha kridanta shabdaha trishu lingeshu vartate. In all the 3 lingas, it is declinable. तथा कृदंत पदम वाक्येषु वर्तमान विशेष्यस्य विशेषण रूपेण भवति. That will be an adjective to the visheshya of the sentence. That is the substantive. It will be an adjective to the substantive in the sentence. And what is the substantive? Karma is a substantive. So it will be an adjective to the karma in the sentence. भावे प्रयोग वाक्येषु कर्म कर्माभावात् कृदन्तपदस्य लिंगं नपुंसकलिंग एकवचने एव भवति. प्रथमा विभक्ति you can add नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचने एव भवति. Add प्रथमा विभक्ति. नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचने एव भवति. These are the important 5 points to be noted. Okay. Bhutakaalika kriya is represented by lang lakara using ting pratyas. Lang stands for bhuta. Bhutakala kriya. In kartari vachyam, that is an active voice, parasmipadi ting pratyas are used. In karmani, for karmani, atmanepadi, ting pratyas are used. Even though the dhatu is parasmipadi, in karmani, atmanepadi, pratyas will be added to the dhatus. For example, for kartari vachya bhutakalika patana kriya, in all the purushas and vachanam for the dhatus, pat. For the dhatu, pat. Pat is a dhatu taken for example. So its form will be apatat, apatatam, apatan. This is kartari. Karmani will come later. Apatat, apatatam, apatan, apataha, apatatam, apatata, apatam, apatava, apatama. Lang lakara kartari tinganta kriyapadam. This we know. This is kartari. In karma vachya bhuta kalika patana kriya, in all the purusha and vachanam for the dhatu pat, it will be apatyata, apatyatam, apatyanta, apatyathaha, apatyetham, apatyadvam, apatye, apatyavahi, apatyamahi. Lang lakara karmani tinganta kriyapadam. Pat dhatu being parasmepadi, in karmani it will take atmanepadi, and here lang lakara. Why we discuss lang lakara? Because the kridanta what we are saying is denotes past, therefore lang. So apatyata, apatyatam, apatyanta. Now you will see the equivalent of this lang form in kridanta. In karma vachyam and bhava vachyam, both the kridantas will replace lang tinganta padam. You can see here. Apatyata, apatyataha, apatye. That is ekavachanam. That is ekavachanam. For all these 3, bhutakala arte, ta pratyaya will be ta pratyaya form will be patitaha. From pat dhatu, we derive the kridanta form, bhuta kridanta form, which is patitaha. So, Ramaha apatyata. Ramena apatyata, not Ramaha. Ramena apatyata will be equal to Ramena patitaha. Tvaya apatyataha will be equal to Tvaya patitaha. Tvaya patitaha we cannot say. Tvaya patitam will be there. So you have to supply karma. Okay. I'll give another example. Ramena grantaha. Ramena grantaha apatyata you take. Ramena grantaha apatyata. That is using the lung. That is karmani lung. Apatyata. Grantaha apatyata. Ramena. Using now kridanta. Ramena grantaha patitaha. So apatyata is equal to patitaha. Tvaya grantaha apatyataha. The grantha, the book was read by you. So tvaya grantaha apatyataha is equal to patitaha. So tvaya grantaha patitaha you can say. So patitaha there is equal to apatyataha. Maya grantaha apatye. By me the grantha, the book was read. So apatye can be replaced by the kridanta patitaha. Maya grantaha patitaha. So if karma is mentioned, then apatyataha, apatye can be replaced by patitaha. Karma being ekavachanam. Therefore, the kridanta will be, karma being ekavachanam pullinga, therefore kridanta will be patitaha. Patita is a pratipadikam, therefore patitaha. If it is strilinga, patita it will be. If it is napumsakalinga, it will be patitam. So patita is a pratipadikam. Starts with the patita pratipadikam. If you want to convert that into strilinga, you add ta pratyaya, becomes, you add a, the dirgha, it becomes patita. Then decline like Rama Shabda. And if it is napumsakalinga, patita, akaranta, pala shabdavat. So patitam, patite, patitani. Depending on the gender of the karma. By default here we take pullinga, therefore patitaha. So here what I want to say is, the ekavachana, the lung form is there for all the purusha. That can be replaced by the kridanta patitaha, bhuta kridanta patitaha. Understand? So lung karmani forms replaced by patitaha. So you can see the example. Tena grantaha apatyata will be equal to Tena grantaha patitaha. Tvaya grantaha apatyata is equal to Tvaya grantaha patitaha. Maya grantaha apatyata is equal to Maya grantaha patitaha. Right? So now dvivachanam. Dvivachanam will be apatyatam, apatyetam, then apatyavahi. Dvivachanam for Pratama Purusha is apatyatam. Already we have seen. Madhyama Purusha apatyetam. Uttama Purusha apatyavahi. This is dvivachanam. Therefore, patitau. Ramaha ramau. Patitaha patitau. Decline like Rama Shabda. Akarantaha pullingaha patita Shabdaha. Patitaha patitau. Patitaha. Patitaha ekavachanam. We have seen. So lung karmani, that ekavachana lung forms are replaced by patitaha. Similarly, the dvivachanam lung karmani dvivachana forms are replaced by patitau. So therefore, you can say, for example, Tena grantau apatyatam is equal to Tena grantau patitau. Tena grantau apatyatam is equal to, sorry, Tvaya grantau apatyatam. Apatyetam it must be. Okay. Apatyatam. Tvaya grantau apatyatam will be equal to Tvaya grantau patitau. Maya grantau apatyatam will be equal to Maya grantau patitau. So, patitau replaces apatyatam, right? So here, granta is pratama purusha, therefore apatyatam. If you are the subject, instead of grantau, if you are the subject, then it will be apatyetam. Acharyena, suppose, acharyena, aham, atadyetam, you can say. I was beaten by the acharya. You become the object of beaten, therefore atadyetam. So if you are the object, then accordingly in lang lakara we have to change the form. If it is aham, then apatyavagi. If you are the object of the kriya, then apatyavagi. Because here I use the example grantha, therefore apatyatam prathama purusha ekavachanam will be there. Okay. I am not giving the madhyama purusha, uttama purusha. That doesn't matter anyway. Okay. Understand this? Yes or no?
Yes, Sharanji. Yes, Sharanji.
If it is not clear, please ask. So similarly for Bhagavachanam, apatyanta, apatyadvam, apatyavaki for all the purusha. For that we have the equivalent kridanta which is patitaha. Example, patitaha, why? Patitaha means taking pullinga as the linga by default. So tena grantaha apatyanta. Tvaya grantaha apatyanta. Maya grantaha apatyanta. So that will be tena grantaha patitaha. Tvaya grantaha patitaha. Maya grantaha patitaha. So apatyanta replaced by patitaha. Apatyanta being Bhagavachanam. Patitaha also Bhagavachanam. Granta is the karma, pullinga. Therefore, the kridanta also must be in the same gender pullinga. Now, you can see usage of tha pratyaya in karma vachyam in all the three genders. Number one, karma vachyam chatrena grantaha apatyata. A book was read by the student. So, grantaha is the karma, which is pullinga. Apatyata, kriya. Kriyam dyotayati iti kriya padam. What is kriya padam? Is said that is the definition. That's the definition of the kriya padam. Karta is anabhigita, therefore tritya vibhakti. Yaha karoti saha karta. Yat kriyate tat karma. That is karma will be in pratama vibhakti. In karmani prayoga. So the same thing, the second sentence, you can see the usage of kridanta. Chatrena grantaha patitaha. So what is the difference between the two sentences? This is lung form. This is karmani lung. We are using tinganta. Here we are using kridanta. Here it is, because it is tinganta, therefore you should know the forms. You should know the forms. Apatyata, apatyatam, apatyanta, all the forms you should know. Whereas here it is very simple. Patitaha, like Rama Shabda. It becomes very simple. Grantaha patitaha, grantaha patitaha, grantau patitau. Only in keeping with the vachanam, it will change. Only in keeping with the vachanam, it will change. With respect to purusha, the form will be same. The form will not change with respect to purusha. The form will change only with respect to the linga and the vachanam. So this kridanta will be very easy compared to lung. Okay. So the second sentence. Now the next one. Here, chatrena grantaha patitaha. छात्रेण ग्रन्थः पठितः छात्रैः ग्रन्थः पठितः कर्ता changes but karta is not abhigitam, therefore it doesn't have any impact on the kriya patita. That will be remain as it is because it is dependent on the karma. Only with the change of karma the kridanta will change, not with the change of karta. So therefore kartru vachana vikarena kriya vachanasya vikaram na bhavati. Similarly, छात्रेण ग्रन्थाः पठिताः ग्रन्थाः बहुवचनं therefore पठिताः ग्रन्थाः पठिताः छात्रैः छात्रैः is whether it is ekavachanam or bahuvachanam chatra doesn't matter पठिताः is there because of ग्रन्थाः so karma vachana vikarena kriya vachanasya vikaram bhavati. Okay, that already we know it very well because karmani prayoga we have seen karma is abhigitam, therefore in keeping with the karma kriya padam changes. Here it is kridanta, in keeping with the linga and the vachanam of the karma the kridanta changes. Now in pullinga how this shabda is declined, how this patita pratipadikam is declined, it is like rama shabda. So let us chant this. The derivation part, I will tell you, it will come later. How from pat you get patita? Simple. Already we know kridanta, some derivation with that we can easily understand this. Akarantaha pullingaha patita shabdaha
अकारान्तः
पुल्लिङ्गः
पुल्लिङ्गः पठित शब्दः
पठितशब्दः
patitaha patitau patitaha
पठितः
पठितः
पठितौ
पठितौ
पठिताः
पठिताः
patitam patitau patitan
पठितं
पठितं
पठितान्
पठितान्
patitena patitabhyam patitaihi
पठितेन पठिताभ्यां
पठिताभ्यां
अभ्यां
पठितैः
पठितैः
patithaya patitabhyam patitibhyah
पठिताय
पठिताय
पठिताभ्यां
पठिताभ्यां
ताभ्यां
पठितेभ्यः
पठितेभ्यः
तेभ्यः
patitat patitabhyam patitebhyah
पठितात्
पठितात्
पठिताभ्यां
पठिताभ्यां
पठितेभ्यः
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 patitasya patitayoh patitanam
पठितस्य
पठितस्य
य
पठितयोः
पठितानां
आं
patite patitayoh patiteshu
पठिते
पठिते
पठितयोः
पठितयोः
पठितेषु
पठितेषु
he patita he patitau he patitaah
हे
हे
पठित
पठित
हे
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 पठितौ
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 हे
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 पठिताः
पठिताः
Okay, this is pullinga. Now bhaktaha pujam akarot. Bhaktaha is karta, akarot it is lang, kartari lang. So karta is abhigitam, puja is karma. Bhaktena puja krita. Here puja is what linga? Srilinga. Puja being Srilinga, therefore the kridanta form of kridatu, this kridanta ta form of kridatu is krita. Kru plus ta becomes krita because it is Strilinga, therefore krita. Because it is Strilinga, therefore it becomes krita. If it is Pullinga, it is kritam. It is krita. If it is Napumsakalinga, it is kritam. Here, puja being Strilinga, therefore krita. So, bhaktena puja krita. The puja was done by the devotee. Both sentences being the same. There is no difference. Both sentence you convey the same meaning. I mean, both sentence means bhaktena puja krita or bhaktena puja akriyata. Krita is equal to akriyata. So akriyata is equal to krita. Okay. One is, and here it is, first sentence is kartari, second one is karmani. Now, krita is that, we'll see some example and then see the declension. Bhaktena puja krita, bhaktena puje krite, bhaktena pujaha kritaha. In keeping with the karma, the kridanta changes. Esham vakya, etesham vakyanam vicharam kurvantu. Think about this sentence. Bhaktabhyam, to bhaktas, puja krita. Krita remains as it is because it is depends on the karma. Bhaktabhyam is, even though it is Dvivachanam, because of it doesn't change, because it is not abhigitam. Karta is not abhigitam. Bhaktabhyam pujam krita, bhaktabhyam puje krite, bhaktabhyam pujaha kritaha. Bhaktegi puja krita, bhaktegi puje krite, bhaktegi pujaha kritaha. So puja krita or puje krite or pujaha kritaha. That is how it is. Depending on the karma. Depending on the karma, kridanta is. Now here puja is strilinga, therefore krita. Now krita will be declined like Rama Shabda, Rama Shabdavat. We can chant that. Akarantaha, strilingaha, krita shabdaha.
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः कृता शब्दः
कृता कृते कृताः
कृता
कृता
कृते
कृताः
कृताः
कृतां कृते कृताः
कृतां
कृतां
कृते
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 कृताः
कृताः
कृतया कृताभ्यां कृताभिः
कृतया
कृतया
कृताभ्यां
कृताभ्यां
कृताभिः
कृतायै कृताभ्यां कृताभ्यः
कृतायै कृताभ्यां
कृताभ्यां
कृताभ्यः
कृतायाः कृताभ्यां कृताभ्यः
कृतायाः
कृताभ्यां
कृताभ्यां कृताभ्यः
कृतायाः कृतयोः कृतानाम्
कृतायाः कृतयोः कृताणां
कृतानां
कृतायां कृतयोः कृतासु
कृतायां
कृतयोः
कृतासु
हे कृते हे कृते हे कृताः
हे
हे
कृते
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 हे कृते
कृते
हे कृताः
कृताः.
So this Kranta is simple in one way, but when the sentence becomes complicated, the sentence is complicated where the other or where the vibhakti of this declension is used, then we have to analyze the sentence. It can become complicated also. Whereas simple is Kridanta, it is simple, but it can become complicated in a sentence if the more Kridantas, if there are more Kridantas and there are in different vibhaktis and different vachanams, that we have to connect to the Karta and understand. Like in Shatra only. Like in Shatra, what we have seen, Shatranta and Shanajanta. Now, the next one. So, we have seen Pullinga and Srilinga, now Napumsakalinga.
Gee, on doubt.
Yes.
The Kritana, that Natvam happens there. Is it some other rule?
Krita,
Takara is.
yeah, doesn't happen. Yeah, yes. It doesn't happen.
Oh, okay.
It's a typo, sorry. Then the next turn is Napumsakalinga. Yeah, it's a good point. Is that Natvam doesn't happen. The next one, Ramaha Palam Akhadat. Palam is Napumsakalinga. And in Karmani it will be Ramena Palam Akadyata. And Kridanta it will be Ramena Palam Khaditam. So Akadyata replaced by Kridanta Khaditam. Akadyata, I have not typed that sentence, but we know, we please understand that Khaditam. The fruit was eaten by Rama. Palam Khaditam. Ramena. So now Khaditam and see. Ramena Palam Khaditam. Ramena Pale Khadite. Two fruits were eaten by Rama. Ramena Palani Khaditani. Rama Bhyam, by two Ramas. How many fruits? Only one. Palam Khaditam. Rama Bhyam Pale Khadite. Rama Bhyam Palani Khaditani. Ramaihi Palam Khaditam. Ramaihi Pale Khadite. Ramaihi Palani Khaditani. Okay. Here Khadita is Napumsakalinga. Here. Because it qualifies Palam or it denotes Palam. So therefore it is declined like Pala Shabda. Very simple. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Khadita Shabdaha.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः खादितशब्दः
खादितशब्दः
Khaditam Khadite Khaditani.
खादितं खादिते
खादिते
खादितानि
खादितानि
Khaditam Khadite Khaditani.
खादितं
खादिते
खादिते
खादितानि
खादितानि.
From Tritiya onwards, same as Pullinga. So Khaditena Khaditabhyam Khaditaihi. Therefore, it is not written Shesham Pumbat like Pullinga. The balance will be, the remaining will be like Pullinga. Now, up to this, we have seen how these Kridantas are, this Tha Pratyaya. Tha Kridanta is used, we have seen. Now, how to form this Kriyapadam, Kridanta Kriyapadam. It is not really Kriyapadam, it is equivalent to Kriyapadam, therefore Kridanta Kriyapadam. But it's not Kriyapadam, okay. It's better to say Kridanta Padam. That would be better. Because Kriyapadams can sometimes mislead. So how to form this Kridanta Padam? This Kridanta denotes Kriya. It plays the role of Kriya, not denotes. Denote means play. It plays the role of the Kriya. So therefore, I use the word Kriya Padam, but better to remove that. Kridanta Padam. How to form this Kridanta Padam? First, you identify the Dhatu. Okay. Ta Pratyaya. It is what? Sarvadhatukam or Adidhatukam?
अर्धधातुकम्
Ardhadhatuka. Therefore what? Therefore,
इत्वस्था विचारः
Ittagama can come. When Ittagama comes,
It is set or wait.
Baladi.
Baladi.
Baladi is important.
Mm.
In fact, the set or wait, the dhatu, I mean, set dhatu, wait dhatu, but it has nothing to do with really speaking dhatu. The pratyaya only take the agama. Okay. We say, is a dhatu is a set, dhatu is wait, but it is actually the pratyaya. Pratyaya only takes the agama, and the pratyaya, it should be a val.
Baladi.
Then only it can take itagama.
Jagama.
Okay. And there are some rules. Yes, some dhatus may not take. That is a lot of rules are there. That is why dhatu is called set and wait or
Anit.
anit and all. Okay. But the itagama is only for the pratyaya, not for the dhatu. Okay. So when we say set dhatu, we have to understand the pratyaya taking it. Agama, not the dhatu.
Okay.
Dhatu, when to the dhatu, when the Ardha Dhatuka pratyaya is added, depending on the dhatu, the pratyaya, even though it is a val, it may not take, or it may take, or it may take optionally, or it must take. So three possibilities are there possible. That depends on the dhatu. That is why it is called set dhatu, vet dhatu, anit dhatu. But the pratyaya is added to the agama, this it agama is added to the pratyayas only. Okay. And the pratyayas are added to the dhatus. Now, first we have to identify the dhatu. Whether the dhatu is it or anit or vet, that you can see from the dhatu kosha. If it is a it agama, apply before applying any other rules, you should add the agama. Agama is mitravat. Agama is like a friend. It is added to the sthani. And here it is it being tit agama. Therefore, it is added to at the beginning of the sthani. If it is a kit, then it is added at the end of the sthani. If it is a myth, then it is added after the last ach of the sthani. So you can take it as a middle. So therefore, right, left, and middle, beginning, end, and middle. These agamas can be added. And the type of agama is indicated by the ita letter. Takara, kakara, and makara. Therefore, tit agama, kit agama, mit agama. Adyantau takitau. Midachontyat paraha. That is a sutra for this agama. Agama is mitravat. It's like a friend. It is added to the sthani. It doesn't replace sthani. If it replaces, then what is the name of that?
Adesh.
Adesha.
Adesha is shatruvat. It's like an enemy. It vacates the person sitting in the chair and it comes and sits. That is shatruvat. Agama is mitravat. So the dhatu plus the pratyaya, krit pratyaya, and the pratyaya must, if it is Ardha Dhatuka pratyaya beginning with the val, then itagama should be added. Itagama is the first thing. You have to do. Adding itagama is the first thing you have to do. Then only other karyas to be done. When you add itagama to the pratyaya, that it becomes an integral part of the pratyaya. So, pat, for example, pat plus ta pratyaya. Pat is a set dhatu. So, itagama comes. So, pat plus e plus ta. E is the agama. That it is agama. The e is the agama added to the pratyaya. It becomes ita. So, ita is the pratyaya now. Ita is the pratyaya. After that only other rules can be applied. Not before. After the Angakarya, suppose if Angakarya happens, here in this case doesn't happen. Suppose if Angakarya happens, after the Angakarya you cannot add Ittagama, you should add before. So Ittagama is before. Adding Ittagama must be done at the beginning, then the it becomes the integral part of the pratyaya. After that you do Angakarya. This is the sequence. Adding Ittagama is the first thing. Then the Ittagama becomes an integral part of the pratyaya. Then Angakarya. These are the steps. So here, Pat Dhatu plus Ta pratyaya. The content of Ta is Ta. And Pat being a set. Therefore, Pat plus Ita. So you get the form Patita. Now Patita is Krit Anta Pratipadikam. Krit Anta is Pratipadikam. Krit Adita Samasasya Pratipadikam. So Krit Anta is Pratipadikam. Therefore, it is now being Pratipadikam, it is available for declension in all the genders. So in all the genders, it can be declined. And a sentence in keeping with the karma, the gender will be. Okay, now this is how it is formed. So if you take the dhatu, khad will become kadita. Kru dhatu is not, it will not take itagama. So kru plus tha will become krita. Kru plus tha will become krita. So like that, forms will be there. We'll see. Now we are going to see the forms of the dhatu. So ta pratyayantam. So we are giving here the list of dhatus. The list of dhatus having certain the common derivations. Okay, the dhatus are classified into many groups having common derivations. Like here, in this example, you see dhatus taking itagama. Creed dhatu plus ta pratyaya becomes creedita. Creed dhatu being state dhatu. So therefore the pratyaya, ta pratyaya takes itagama. So becomes creed plus ita becomes creedita. So some dhatus are listed here, which will take itagama. So you can see the commonalities. Creed becomes creedita, and therefore in Pullinga it will be creeditaha, creeditau, creeditaha. In Strilinga, creedita, creedite, creeditaha. In Napumsakalinga, creeditam, creedite, creeditani. I have given here only Pratama, Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Other Vachanam and Vibhakti we know. So not given. No space also. So lik dhatu. Lik becomes likita. Arch becomes archita. Jeev, to live, it becomes jivita. I have given here the gana and whether it's Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi and set or it is a set here. Set dhatu only. All are yes. What you see, it's a set dhatu. Pat become patita. Kup becomes kupita. Pat, patita. Raksh, rakshita. Yaj, yachita. Av, avita. Rud, rudita. Shiksh, shikshita. Gana, ganita, 10th gana. Janita. Chint, chintita. Jalp, jalpita. Arth, arthita. Iksh, the dhatu is iksh dhatu, becomes ikshita, not ikshita is the dhatu is iksh dhatu, becomes ikshita. Okay. What is the kridanta form of pat dhatu? What is the kridanta, sorry, what is the nijanta? What is the nijanta form of pat dhatu?
Bhatti.
Party. And what is the kridanta form now?
Patika.
Patita. It will be patita. Party plus ta pratyaya. Party plus ta pratyaya. So it becomes patita, not patita. No itagama there. We will see that later. The Ajanta, that pat becomes party and party plus ta becomes patita. Okay. Here, why? Because the 10th gana dhatus are there. So the dhatu plus ita. just to show you the distinction between the Nijanta, that is Preranartaka form, and the Swarte form. Okay. Similarly, the other dhatus, you can see Kat becomes Katita, Grish. Guna is also possible. But that is all those are exceptions. Grish becomes, it is Ghoshita, one form is Ghoshita. Here Guna doesn't happen, something else happens. In some cases, Guna also will happen. Grish becomes Grishita or Goshita. Jwal becomes Jwalita. Kamp becomes Kampita. Mil, Milita. Churdatu. Chori is a form. Chori plus ta becomes Chorita. Nad, Nadita. Nind, Nindita. Pal, Palita. Just know the forms. This it Vyavastha is a separate topic that we will see later. But now, here, these dhatus being set dhatu, and the pratyaya is added. So you get itagama, and the forms, what we get will be like this: patita, patita, nindita, chorita, iti. So simple form. Just know this form, that is enough. Then exercise using this Kridanta. Adodattanam Vakyanam Vicharam Anuvadanam Cha Kurvantu. So Kridanta Ekavachanantam. You can see Maya Gita Patita. Gita was read by me. Gita is Srilinga, therefore Patita. Putrena Patram Likitam. Patram is Napumsakalinga, therefore Likita Pratipadika becomes Likitam, when declined Napumsakalinga. Ramaya Patram Likitam. Patram is Likitam. Kaya Ramaya. Matra Shishuhu Rakshitaha. Rakshitaha Pullinga. Tvaya Devaha Architaha. Devaha is Pullinga, therefore Architaha. Kena Pataha Patitaha, by whom the lesson was read. Chorena Abhushanam Choritam. Parashuna Shakha Patita. Shakha Strilinga, therefore Patita. Karta is, okay, here Parashuna. What is Parashuna? What is Parashu? Parashu is axe. Parashurama we say. Parashu is the axe. It is not the Karanam. It is the Karta. Okay. So, why I am saying this? We have a tendency to see the certain, certain things as instruments. It is, you cannot say it as instrument. It depends on the sentence. The sentence, it is Parashu is the Karta. Parashu is the Karta. So Parashuna is Tritiya Vibhakti. Parashu being Karta, therefore Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, because here Parashu is not a living person. It is an instrument. Because it is an instrument, it doesn't mean here it is Karanam. In this sentence, the Karanam Parashu is the Karta. Therefore Parashuna. Okay. Parashuna Shakha Patita. The branch was fell by the Parashu. Okay, the next sentence, I think you can read, number 9 onwards. So all the sentences are simple sentences, you can follow. Okay, then Ramaji, please read.
Balakaihi dugdham pitam. Taya asatyam bhashitam. सैनिकैः देशः रक्षितः भिक्षुणां दानं याचितम्. Shall I continue, Sharanji?
You understand all the sentence, right? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
If any doubt is there, you please ask. All the simple sentences. Yeah, please continue.
छात्रेण वेदः शिक्षितः तया व्याघ्रः ईक्षितः शिशुना नक्षत्राणि गणितानि मया कथा कथिता तेन मित्रं मिलितं सूर्येण चन्द्रः ज्वलितः.
Yes. So, here you can see the usage of Kridanta in keeping with the gender. Now, Dvivachanantam. Ganesh, please read. Yes.
मया कथे पठिते वृक्षेण फले पतिते मया कविते लिखिते विघ्नेशेन लेखे ग्रन्थिते रमया गद्ये ग्रथिते आरक्षेण चोरौ ताडितौ.
Vigneshena leke gratite, it must be. Not grantite, maybe typo. Gratitaha, sorry, it's correct only. It is gratite.
बहुवचन.
No, it's right only. Sorry, it is not grantite, it is gratite only. Yeah. I mean, gratite is right, not grantite, it's a typo. Yeah, please read.
राज्ञा चोरितौ दण्डितौ.
Here, sorry, lekha is string. Okay, therefore gratite. There is no word gratite here. And gadya is napumsakalinga. Therefore gratite. Napumsakalinga dvivachanam. Gadyam gadye. Gadyani. So gratite, gratitam gratite. Gratitani. And here leke gratite is lekha is strilinga. Akaranta strilinga. Lekha leke lekha. So leka gratita, leke gratite. Okay.
द्विवचन.
Yes. Continue.
Then राज्ञा चोरितौ दण्डितौ.
Yeah, please read.
शिक्षकेण बालकौ पीडितौ भक्ताः देवौ पूजितौ रमया बालिके मिलिते तैः
Ushtrau.
उष्टौ.
No.
उष्ट्रौ.
Ushtrau. What is Ushtra? Camel.
So 2 camels.
Yes.
उष्ट्रौ.
Yeah, continue.
तैः उष्ट्रौ ईक्षितौ पित्रा रूप्यकौ गणिते रमणेन कथे रचिते.
It's wrong. Okay, just a minute.
रमणेन.
No. Pitra Rupyakau. Okay, if you see any typo mistakes, you please tell me. Here Rupyakau is mistake. What is the mistake? Pitra Rupyakau Ganite.
Actually, Rupyake.
Rupyake.
Yes.
स्त्रीलिंग रूप्यका.
No, there is no Rupyakam.
Napumsakalinga, isn't it?
Pumsakalinga, yeah.
Rupyakam.
Sir, even 9th question, sir. Bhaktaha devau pujitau is there. Bhakta is Tritiya Vibhakti should be. 9th question.
Tritiya Vibhakti, isn't it?
Yes, that's also mistake.
Sharanji, only Granth Dhatu is given in Dhatu portion.
Yeah, that becomes
Granthite only, right, Sharanji? Numagama is there.
Dhatu is grant, but numagama will go away. So it becomes gratitaha. So not grantitaha, gratitaha.
Okay.
Because that numagama will go away when it is followed by kit pratyaya. So gratitaha it must be.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhatu is grant only. Yes. Yeah. Continue.
This is 14. Amatyena samadhane chintite tena abhushane vanchite. Then Gudha Purushena samasye suchitau. And upasakena mantre japite maya.
Here, okay. Samasye, some mistakes are there on this. Okay, you have to be careful when you read. I could see a lot of mistakes. Gudha Purushena samasye suchitau. Please, all of you can see, read the sentence. Please watch. Mistakes are there.
Should be suchite.
Samasye. What is samasye? What linga?
Problem. Samasyaha.
Samasya.
Samasya.
Okay. So therefore,
Suchitau. Suchite.
it must be suchite. Okay. It must be suchite. Then.
So upasakena mantre japite maya chalanachitre lochite.
Yes, sir. Lochite. Now next one. Smrtiji. Bhagavachanam now.
Yeah. Maya Gitaha Patitaha Vyasena Puranani Likitani Ramaya Dhanani Ganithani Kalidasena Kavitaha Rachitaha Maya mantra. Yeah.
Here, some problem is that something happened to my file.
Maya mantrani japitani. Then kena pathaha patitaha. Chorena abhushanani choritani. Then Krishnena vathaha suchitaha. Sishyena upanishadhaha sikshitaha. Taya anurthani. That means what, Sharanji? Bhakshitani. Anurthani.
Pratham is Satya. Anrutham is Lai. Anrutham is Lai. Satya.
Sorry, Sharanji?
Anrutham is Asatyam. Lai.
Lai, okay.
Untruth.
Okay, thank you. Then Maya Mitrani Milithani Matra Devaha Architaha. Then Suryena Nakshatrani Jwalithani Matra Samasyaha Suchitaha. Then Balakaihi Gadhyani Patitani Ragnya Samadhani Chintatani.
Samadhanani.
Ani Samadhanani.
Samadhanani.
Samadhanani Chintatani. Chintitani. Sorry, yeah.
Okay. Now, next one is Bhavavachyam. Okay, you can listen. Bhavavachyam. Akarmaka dhatus alone can be expressed in Bhavavachyam. Why? Because karma not there. Therefore, karma vachyam not possible. If karma is not specified, even the sakarmaka dhatus will be used in bhavavachyam only. Karma avivakshayam bhavavachye api akarmaka dhatunam prachalitam bhavati. Karma avivakshayam bhavavachye api sakarmaka dhatunam prachalitam bhavati, not akarmaka. If karma is not specified, then sakarmaka dhatu will be in bhavavachya only. Sakarmaka dhatunam prachalitam bhavati bhavavachye karma avivakshayam. Okay. There are some typos in this document. You have to be careful. I'm trying to edit while reading. You also please watch. Then both kratanta padam derived from akarmaka dhatus should always be in neutral gender, singular in bhavavachyam. Already we have seen. Bhavavachye kratanta padam napumsaka ekavachane eva bhavati. Examples for bhavavachyam using akarmaka dhatus. Sakarmaka dhatus we will see later. So, akarmaka dhatus. Krishnaji, you can read.
Ramena hasitam maya smritam Toya vismritam putrena shayitam Ramaya ushitam maya shrutam
Ushitam.
maya kshutam.
What is Ushitam?
Ushitam Ramaya ushitam
When you read, I assume that you all know, understand what you read.
Is it like
Vasati,
Vasati? Vasati?
Vasdhatu, samprasanam happens.
Ushyati.
Vas will become, va become u, and sakara becoming more than shakara, shattam also happens. Then itagama, ikta pratyaya, ushi, ushita. And ushita when you decline, ushitam, ushitam, ushite, ushitani, in napumsakalinga. So Ramaya ushitam, it means, what does it mean? Translation will be
Ramaya ushitam lived by Rama.
yes, lived by Rama. Okay. Continue.
Maya shrutam shrutam.
Maya Shrutam. Shu also is there, but you can take it as Maya Shrutam, listened by me.
Okay, Maya shrutam.
Okay. Continue.
Pitra tushtam Ravanena
Tushtam, what does it mean?
Satisfied, maybe? Guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy.
Satisfied. Then what is the translation? Pitra
Tushtam.
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 Pitra Tushtam means what? The father was pleased. That's all. Okay. Pleasing was done by father. That will be the translation. But I cannot, English we don't do like that. Like Ramena Hasitam. Laughing was done by Rama. Rama laughed. Right? Can you hear me?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
So Pitra Tushta means father was pleased. That is the translation. So
Okay.
when you do the translation, when such sentences come, so you have to remember this, all this, how to do that. Father was pleased. Suppose a sentence is there. Then how do you translate? Father was pleased. Then you will think of lung, like immediately lung only you will think. Pita. Pita what? Tush dhatu.
Atushyat.
Pita atushyat. That is what you will think. It's correct. Pita atushyat. Lung form. Father was pleased. Atushyat. And if you use Kridanta, Pita Tushtavan will come. That we will see later. Tavatu Pratyaya. If it is Karmani usage you will see many places. Maya Shrutam, listen by me. Maya Jnatam, I know it. You say Maya Jnatam. Agam Janami, you will say, other way of saying is Maya Jnatam, known by me, known to me. These are all the common the words, sentences we use. So Pitra Tushtam, father was pleased. Okay. Then next one.
Ravanena
Krudham.
Okay. Ravanena Kruddham.
What does it mean? Ravanena Krudham means?
Anger.
Ravana was angry.
Ravana was angry, that's all. Or that angered Ravana, you can say. Angered Ravana, but Ravana was angry. Okay. Continue.
Pushpena Vikasitam.
That is a good example for Navai Prayer. This blossoming is the karma of the pushpa. Flower blossoms as though it is a karma. Deliberately the flower does. There is an expression pushpam vikasati. But what is the karma for it? Pushpam vikasati. There is no karma. Flower blossoms. So it cannot have any karma. Akarma kadatu. So pushpam vikasati or pushpena vikasitam. Same only. Vikasati is latlakara, vikasitam is past. Bhute. Only that much difference. Pushpena vikasyate. It is karmani, letter. So pushpena vikasitam. Okay. So this the dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, pushpa as though is a karta. It is in Tritiya Vibhakti, pushpena. Karma not possible, not there. And pushpa as though a karta takes Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Yes, continue.
Matra Suptam.
What is Matra Suptam? Mother slept.
Okay.
Okay. Continue.
Avabhyam Upavishtam.
By two of us, Upavishtam is?
Enter.
No. Upavishtam is not entered. Pravishati is entered. Sat. Sitting was done by two of us. We two of us sat. Okay, continue.
Chatrena Upastitam.
It means?
Student sat.
Upastitam is present.
Stitam, present. Okay. Student was present.
Kati chatraha upastitaha asmin kakshayam. Upastitam or present. Sitting also you can say upaplastit, but present. So chatrena upasitam. What's the translation?
Student was present. A
Yes.
student was present.
A student was present. So the English will be like this. Then you have to write chatrena upastitam. You need to remember this. When you do the translation, Abhyasa will come later. We are going to do a lot of practice. The next one.
This Shaitam also, it's dreaming, right? Shete, right?
Sorry? Shaitam.
Shaitam is Shete, right?
Yeah, Shing Dhatu, Shete is Latlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Shete, Shayate, Sherate. So,
Me-
yeah,
Meaning is dreaming, right? Or
sleeping.
Lying.
sleeping. Okay.
Suptau. There is a Dhatu.
Okay.
Swap Dhatu also is there to mean sleep. And Shing Dhatu also is there to sleep. Shayanam, sleeping. Dhatu is Shing Dhatu. So, Shayitam. That Shing, that pratyaya becomes Shayi. That the form will be Shayitam. You need to remember that. She will become Shayi, Shayitam.
Okay.
Okay, the next one. Ramaji. Examples for Bhava Vachyam using Sakarmaka Dhatu. So, the Dhatus what we have seen before, what Krishnaji read, they are Akarmaka Dhatu. Now, Sakarmaka Dhatu, karma is not given. So, karma avivakshayam, Sakarmaka Dhatu namapi, Sakarmaka Dhatu namapi, Bhava Vachye. So, Sakarmaka Dhatu nam Prayogah api Bhavavachya eva bhavati. So Bhavavachya is given here. Please read, Ramaji.
Maya Pathitam Putrena Likhitam Ramaya Likhitam Matra Rakshitam Vaya Achitam Kena Pathitam Chorena Choritam Parashuna
So Kartitam.
Kartitam.
One more tha is there.
Yeah. Then Balakaihi Pitam Taya Bhashitam Sainikaihi Rakshitam Vikshuna Yachitam Chatrena Shikshitam Taya Ikshitam Sishuna Ganitam Maya Kathitam Ena Militam Suryena Jwalitam.
Yes. Okay. So these, whatever we have seen so far, these are dhatus, both Sakarmaka and Akarmaka dhatu, taking Ittagama. Taking Ittagama. That is one category. Then the second category, dhatus taking no Ittagama. Like Kship dhatu, for example, Kship plus the Shipta, no Ittagama. So some dhatus are listed here. Ship, fourth gana, Parasmepadi, you see the dhatu dosha, and it will be there. And it, so Kship, Kshipta, Kshiptaha, Kshipta, Kshiptaha, iti. Then Gras dhatu. Gras dhatu, here this column, I have to check. You also please check this. I'll send you this document later. Even though the dhatu, sometimes you find the dhatu kosha as said dhatu, but with this pratyaya, ittagama may not come. That depends on so many vyavastha, niyama, rules are there. Okay. Because it is said dhatu, don't think ittagama will come. Even though it is a state dhatu, ittagama may not come. Because there are the rules which come and negate the ittagama. That lot of utsarga apavada, that connections are there. So by that, even though the dhatu which is given as said may not take it, please note. So the kranta form, the tha forms, the tha pratyanta forms of some dhatus which do not have it are listed here. There may be said dhatus also, but in this it will not take ittagama. In this tha pratyaya, when tha pratyaya follows, it will not take ittagama. Those dhatus are listed. Gras, to swallow, becomes grasta, no ittagama. You can check the dhatu kosha, whether it is said. Even if it is, I think it must be said. So no ittagama. Nrit. becomes nirta. As, asta, deep, deepta, gup, gup, to conceal, gupta, tap becomes tapta, lup becomes lupta. So you can see many dhatus here ending with pakara. But then that is indication to say that if pakara is there, mostly it will not be itagama. It will not be taking itagama. That is not a rule. Just for our understanding, for our easy remembrance, I'm saying. But we have to see the dhatu, whether it will take itagama or not. We see the dhatu and see the other roots, then only we can say. Okay. Then pra plus ap dhatu, prapta, shak dhatu, shakta, shap dhatu, to curse, shapta, krit, krita, vrit, vartate, vartete, vartante, that vrit dhatu, vritta, pravrittam, pravrittihi, all these are from this dhatu, vrit dhatu. Okay. So these are some dhatus. There are so many dhatus are there, only few dhatus are listed here. So these dhatus will not take itagama. Even though valadi, no itagama. So adhodattanam vakyanam vicharam anuvadanam cha kurvantu. Ganeshji, you can read. You can translate also.
Balakena kandukha kshiptaha. The ball was thrown by the boy.
Yes.
Megaihi akashaha vyaptaha.
Vyaptaha.
Vyaptaha. The sky was pervaded by the clouds.
Vyaptaha, vi upasarga, ap dhatu. Ap dhatu, fifth gana. Okay.
Tena uktam.
Shaktam.
Tena shaktam. So it is possible by you.
Pause. By him.
By him, sorry. By him. Simhena mamsam grastam.
Yes.
The meat was
Swallowed.
chewed by the lion.
Swallowed by lion.
Swallowed by the lion.
Okay.
So sevakena bhojanam kritam. The lunch was eaten by the servant.
Oh, bhojanam. Okay. Bhojanam. Food was prepared by the
food. Oh, sorry, kritam. Food was prepared by the servant.
Or say eaten by also you can say, because this is
bhojana.
Bhojanam karoti means he prepares the food, or bhojanam karoti also can be kadati. He eats also.
Eats, right.
But the cooking, the eating, right?
It has to be prepared.
Yeah. So you can take that meaning also. Yes, possible. Yeah, continue.
Vanarena shila asta.
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 Asdatu. Throw.
Throw. So stone must be shila is stone.
Here,
So,
asdatu is not astista santi, not sattayam. As means to throw.
Throw.
Which is that? Fourth gana.
Right.
From this dhatu only you get the words astram and all. Astram is that which is thrown. It can be thrown. Astram, shastram.
Right.
Shastram is that which you fight with keeping in your hand, with your hand. Sword and all. Astram is like missiles, arrows, which can be thrown. Yes.
So the stone was thrown by the monkey. Then Vishwamitrena Menaka Shapta. Shapta, I don't know
Curse.
what Shapta means. Sorry, curse. Right.
Shapa, shap. The word shapa, the curse, comes from the dhatu shap. So, therefore, Menaka Sharpta.
So Menaka was cursed by Vishwamitra.
Vishwamitra.
Maya rahasyam guptam. The secret was kept by me.
Yes, concealed by me. Okay.
Concealed by me. Ramena Shantim Lupta.
Shantihi.
Shantihi Lupta. Lupta means
Lupta
maintained.
means not Tupta is not maintained. Lup, from lup only you get lopa. Remember lopa? Lopa is
disappear.
disappear. Same. Ramena Shantihi Lupta. So what happens to Rama, the Shanti of Rama?
Destroyed.
Destroyed, disappeared, gone.
So the Shanti was disappeared.
Shanti gone. Shanti Ramena Shanti Lupta means he lost Shanti. That's the meaning.
Right.
He lost peace.
He lost his peace.
He lost his peace.
And
Or,
Agnena
Shanti, peace.
Ashanti also can.
Shanti disappeared from Rama. If this sentence is there, then you have to, you cannot take literally. Disappeared from Rama is there. So Rama is, therefore, Apadana, Panchami, not like that. Ramat, Shantihi, Nirgata. You can say nothing wrong, but if you remember this will be right. Ramena Shantihi Lupta will be better. Okay. Even though in English, when you do the translation from English to Sanskritam, he lost his peace of mind, or the Shanti has left Rama, when your sentence is there. Ramena Shantihi Lupta will be a good translation. You cannot do literal translation. You have to bring in like this. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Continue.
So Agnina Kutiraha Taptaha. Tapta is to heat. So
To burn, yeah.
to burn. So
Fire.
the Kutira, the cottage was burned by the fire.
Yes.
Gauriya Deepaha Deeptaha. The flame or the lamp was lit by Gauri.
Gauri.
Vyasena Gita Krita. The Gita was composed by Vyasa.
Vyasa. Next person, Sumatiji. Translate the following verse.
Yeah. Shoko nashyate dhairyam shoko nashyate shutam.
No, you have to read like this. Shoko nashayate dhairyam. Shoko nashayate shrutam. Right?
Okay. Sharanji, I don't know whether I can do it, Sharanji.
Read, it's okay. First read.
Okay. Shoko nashayate dhairyam shoko nashayate shutam. So then shoko.
Second line.
Next, yeah. Second line. Shoko nashayate sarvam nasti shokasamo ripuhu.
Okay. If you don't know to translate, you answer convert the following to Karma Vacham, you will get it. Number 1, read that.
Shoko nashayate dhairyam.
What does it mean?
You have to destroy the shoka.
Not you have to destroy.
No, dhairyam. Yeah. So you must have courage to destroy shoka.
No. That is your kalpana.
Okay.
Who is the karta here? What is the kriya here?
Shutam.
Nashanam.
Nasham.
Nashayate is a kriya, is a te. See the
Te.
kriya?
Yeah.
Suffix.
Yeah.
Nashayate. Nashdatu causative form. Nashayate. Nashayate also you can say. Nothing wrong. Both are okay. But here the Subhashitam uses the Atmanepadi suffix. Nashayate. So Nashayate. Nashayate means what?
Destroy.
Yes. Destroys. What destroys what? Shoka is.
Shoka destroys dhairyam.
Shoka destroys Dairyam. Dairyam is object. Dairyam is Dhirasya Bhavaha Dhairyaha, if it is there, it is karta, but dhairyam is there, therefore Dvitiya Vibhakti, it is karma. Shoka,
Okay.
karta. Shokaha. See, shokaha is a karta because shokaha is pullinga. Shokaha. Therefore, it has to be karta.
Yeah.
It is object. It is dhairyam is. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachan. Therefore, it is karma. So, shoka destroys dhairya.
Dhairya.
Dhairya or viveka. Dhirasya bhavaha dhairyaha viveka. Shoka, sorrow destroys that viveka. Right? Viveka.
Yeah.
Dhiraha. Then, that is what
So,
Shoko nashayate dhairyam.
Dhairyam.
Sorrow destroys dhairya. That is viveka. Now, the second one, read.
Shoko nashyate shutam. So the shoka, that is, it's destroyed by shutam is
Whatever you have heard. You have heard, right?
yeah.
In Gita, it is there. In Gita, what is that shloka? Sita prajna shloka. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha. So,
You taught us, but I not yet memorized it, Sharanji.
Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangateshu pajayate sangat sanjayate kamaha kamat krodho bijayate krodhat bhavati sammogaha sammoghat smriti vibhramaha smriti vibhramshat buddhinashaha buddhinashat pranashyati. So, buddhi vibhramshaha, then that everything you forget.
Yeah.
Everything you forget. Therefore, Shrutam is what you heard. Whatever you learned, that is destroyed by the Shoka. Shokaha nashayate Shrutam. You have heard lot of Shastra, Dharma Shastra, Vedanta Shastra, everything will be destroyed by the Shoka. Shokaha nashayate Shrutam. Third one.
Shoko nashayate sarvam. So shoka destroys all.
Everything.
Everything.
Therefore, nasti shoka samo ripuhu. What is ripuhu?
Enemy.
Enemy.
Enemy. Shoka samaha ripuhu nasti. There is no enemy equivalent to
Shoka.
shoka. It's difficult to translate, Sumati.
I know, but it takes some time.
Yes, that's what it is. What is the context? Why it is given only for one word, Shrutam? Where it is, Sapratyaya is used, Shrutam. Okay. So, we can stop here. Then we will see what the dhatus taking Ittagama, no Ittagama, and what are the changes happens when it takes Ittagama. So different categories are there. So we will see one by one. And there are forms of some dhatus, whatever we have seen. You need to remember because we will be using that for our translation abhyasa purpose. Okay, so we can stop here. If you have any doubts, you can please ask. Any doubts?
No, Ji.
No, Sharanji.
No, sure.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
One doubt, Ji.
Yes, please.
This
ask.
Kritanam, why that Natvam doesn't happen, Ji? Because
Because
Rukara is there.
No, Takara is there, right?
Yeah, Takara is also, Tavarga is allowed for the intervention,
No,
right?
no, it's not allowed.
Okay, Kaka, okay,
Oh,
Kavarga and Pavarga.
Takara and Chakara not allowed,
Okay,
Sharanji.
okay. Takara
Yeah.
is not allowed. Yeah.
What the three vargas are not allowed.
Okay.
Except Kupu, other things are not allowed.
Okay, Ji. Okay.
2, 2 and 2.
Okay, Ji. Dhanyawad, Ji.